Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. Yeah, we can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, me, timing's right. Our romance to be, can't deny. I love the things we do.
Welcome back to the channel. We're on our way to Publix right now. I got my chicken and everything marinating right now. Then I realized we have no sides. Like, I have to have rice with like majority of our meals because that is the only thing AJ eats for real. And that is the way, like, that is how I sneak his vegetables in there. I either add like cauliflower or little like broccoli peels or whatever. So I have to get some white rice. And then my husband was like, oh, you're going to Publix? Do you mind picking me up some few items? I'm like, what do you need? Hopefully it's not like all over the store. I'm trying to be in and out because it is 3 o'clock right now, and I normally pick up Ari at 4 or like by 4:30 the latest. I like to be like at her school. So yeah, I'm trying to like hurry up and get all this done. I pray the kids don't start acting up in the Publix because I normally go to the grocery store early in the morning. So this is like out of our routine right now. So hopefully I can just be in and out. I'm still waiting on him to text me that list of things he needs. He says he wants to make oxtails tonight. So if he's making oxtails, then I might just go ahead and make some macaroni and cheese. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll get the items for that as well. I don't know. I'm trying to be in and out this store. I'm not trying to be in here lollygagging and looking for all these different ingredients for everything. But yeah. So, on Thursday we'll be traveling 5 hours back to our old state. The kids have a dentist appointment, and I have yet to transfer over their or find them a pediatrician slash dentist slash anything out here yet. So I just kept everything the same. So like when it comes to their appointments, like I don't mind traveling back to the old state to do that, because that gives me like an excuse to like see my family or whatever, see my mom, see my dad, and like the kids can see them too. So yeah, we'll be traveling 5 hours to the old state to do that. And then while we're down there, like I said, we'll see my parents. So yeah, that's on Thursday. So we'll be there Thursday, Friday, probably come back Saturday or Friday night. We'll see, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, today is December, what is today? December 11th. Today's the 11th. Yesterday we put up our Christmas tree. I feel like we're so last minute, or even though it's not really last minute because Christmas is in 2 weeks, but I feel like everybody has had their Christmas tree up since like November, and we're just now putting ours up. I let the kids and hubby decorate it. As far as my husband, he put the tree up and everything. The kids decorated. They had their little special touches. Thought Ava was choking, y'all. And yeah, I was like, I'm gonna have to go back and fix it up. Okay. Yeah, that was almost a disaster. Anyhow, that just irritated me a little bit. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, what was I saying? Goodness grief, y'all. I be losing train of thought so easily nowadays. I let the kids decorate. I went back and like switched up some things because like they just put all the ornaments on the bottom. It was looking kind of silly. So I did like switch it up a little bit, try to like even out the ornaments. But the kids had fun doing that. We did wear our little matching pajamas. We look so cute, y'all. I got us cute little pictures. I love it. I love it. I feel like that's gonna be our tradition every year, having matching pajamas and decorating the Christmas tree. Oh my God, look at all these little chickens. They be so close to the road too. That's how you know I live in the country, y'all. These little chickens are out here. But yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too much. Let's go ahead to this Publix, get what we gotta get, pick up Ari, and then get home and cook dinner. Let's go. So we're back in the car. That was a really good experience in the Publix. Surprisingly, AJ stayed in the shopping cart, which he never does. He normally has a whole tantrum whenever I put him in the shopping cart, but he stayed in the cart. I think I got everything. I'm not sure. I was like rushing because right now it's 4:03, so we gotta rush to go pick up Ari before 4:30. So yeah, let's go do that. Let's go. Have y'all ever had Smithfield chicken and barbecue? I want to try it one day. I keep seeing it all over. I've never been, but one of these days I'm gonna go try it. Let me know how it tastes if you've been there before. Make me lose my breath, make me water. Okay, so we got Ari. Everything's good, on time and everything.
No, we're going now.
We're going home. We just went to the grocery store and I got some groceries in the trunk. Welcome to the closing shift. It's about to get chaotic. It's always like a lot. Our ride home, this 30-minute ride home is always a lot for me because it's a lot of chaos in the back seat every single time. Are you on your straps? Not yet? What's wrong?
I want some baby snacks.
No baby snacks right now. I'm about to get to the house. I gotta cook. I gotta cook.
Mama.
It is 4:27. I have to cook dinner.
Mama, here, open.
Open it.
Mama.
Little snack for the ride home. And let the chaos begin. Mommy's so hungry, so I need some Mickey Donalds.
I want some. Mama, I want some. Mama, do you have pancakes?
No, I don't have pancakes right now.
Mama, I want a hamburger.
Y'all, I'm so hungry. I literally haven't eaten nothing all day. I had a little Starbucks drink this morning at like 8:30 and that was it. I'm like starving. I cannot wait until dinner to eat. So I'm about to eat me some Mickey Donalds right now. Give me a nice little Big Mac, a high C orange, some French fries. And yeah, y'all don't even like McDonald's like that for me to waste. Just so you can have a little Happy Meal toy.
Mom, I like that.
It's one of the moments where I want to be like, we got food in the house, but like I'm hungry, so I might as well just get them a little something to snack on.
Mama, I do like some.
Okay, what do you want?
A cheeseburger and that's it.
A cheeseburger and that's it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you get the
Mama?
cheeseburger.
Mama?
AJ can eat your fries.
No.
You don't want fries?
No.
I know you don't like McDonald's.
Mama?
We got food in the house. I'll make you some rice when we
Mama.
get in the house, okay?
Mama,
Yes.
I want water.
Yeah, you want water?
Huh?
Oh, okay, I don't have water. Maybe I can ask him for a cup of water. Y'all hear her back there coughing? My kids are literally sick every other week.
Oh my God.
I hate it here. They're always getting sick.
It was funny.
What's funny? Thank you.
I want to water.
Juice. Apple juice.
Mama?
Thank you. Have a good one.
You're welcome.
And the fighting begin.
Mommy, I keep my phone.
Chunky Man, you don't even like McDonald's. Why are you fighting over the box? That's Ari's. Yeah, it's just a box. Ari, just get your burger. Give him the box then. He just wants the box. Give Ava some French fries.
Stop it. Mommy, get my head out.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, y'all. AJ, are we hitting? No hitting, please. Don't let me stop this car. Let me see.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
You want the burger, right?
Mama, I don't have a toy. Mama.
Yes.
I get a ball.
Give Ava some French fries.
Mama. I get a ball.
It might be too hot. Here, you can have the box. Some French fries and some apples in there.
Mama.
We are back in the house, y'all. It is 5:45. Yes. Hold on, Ari. Hold on. Y'all, Ari's in a little mood. I don't think she's feeling too good. She's getting sick because she's been cranky crying since the moment we got home. So yeah, I gotta deal with that. But yeah, so while I was doing all that, hubby did start dinner. So the chicken is almost done. That's in the oven. He put some rice on. And yeah, right now he's giving AJ a bath. And I'm about to just lay on the couch with Ari because she's about to give me the blues. Ooh, there we go, lighting. What's wrong?
I missed you.
You missed me? I missed you too. Okay, right now we're just gonna watch some Bubble Guppies and chill out until dinner is ready, and it's time for her to get a bath and give Miss Ava a bath, and yeah.
I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential